Where's your spoon? Show me how you can use your spoon. There you go. Good job. You'd rather use your hand, huh? How about your spoon? Oh. You like the hand better, huh? Oh, thank you. You're doing a good job. Ah, what a good job. Is that tasty? Ah. 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 You don't want to use your spoon? Ah. Are you going to take a bath after this? What about your spoon? You don't want to use it? You can try it with your left hand? Nope. Oh, that's the wrong end. But it's the right idea.